As we rode deeper and deeper into the forest, the bear statistics came to life around us.
Oh, excellent.
I soon discovered why this is one of Jake's favourite haunts. These hot sulphur springs are part of a bizarre geological phenomenon of mud pots, sulphur lakes and vapour geysers produced by volcanic activity. It looked like some of the local inhabitants were too.
Oh, I can feel all the aches and pains flowing out of me. Oh, I think I could stay here for days.
My time at the lodge seemed to have flown by, and I was sad to have to say goodbye. I'd been given a taste of what ecotourism is all about, and I'd certainly found it a very rewarding experience.